Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two tools that help you manage and organize your documents, Devonthink and Paperless Ngx. Let's see which one is better and which one fits your needs in 2025. Devonthink is a document management tool made for Mac and iOS users. It allows you to collect, organize, search, and edit all types of documents, like PDFs, scanned papers, and Word files. It even includes built-in OCR, which helps you make scanned documents searchable. Devonthink is known for its powerful search features and smart tagging system. It also gives you suggestions and connections between files, which makes it great for researchers, students, and people who deal with lots of information. However, Devonthink is only available on Apple devices, and setting up syncing between devices can sometimes be a bit tricky. Paperless NGX, on the other hand, is a free and open source document management system that works through your browser. It can be installed on Linux, Windows, or Mac using Docker. It has a clean interface where you can upload, tag, and search through all your documents. Like Devonthink, it also supports OCR and it works in over 100 languages. Paperless NGX can automatically tag files, split them using barcodes, and organize them into categories. It's a powerful tool for people who want a system they can fully control, but since it runs on your own server, it can be harder to set up and may require more technical knowledge. So, which one should you choose? If you use a Mac or iPad and want a smart, powerful system that helps you connect ideas and search through your files easy, then Devonstick is a great option. But if you want a free, flexible tool that works on any system and offers lots of automation and you are okay with a little setup work, then Paperless NGX is the better choice. Let me know in the comments which one sounds better to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.